Convert your bathroom into a lavish oasis with the Scudo A6 single-door quadrant shower enclosure, available here at Bella Bathrooms. With its polished chrome frame and handle, this sleek and sophisticated design will add a glimmer of elegance to any space. The clear glass panels allow in natural light for a bright and open feel, while the Aqua Shield glass treatment ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Safety is always a priority, which is why this shower enclosure features 6mm toughened safety glass. It's built to withstand daily use and provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. The generous adjustment allows for easy installation even in tricky spaces with out-of-true walls. Designed specifically for corner placement, this shower enclosure is versatile and can be fitted on either the left or right-hand side to suit your bathroom layout perfectly. The single roller door provides effortless access, ensuring convenience without compromising on style. Shower in comfort with a Scudo S6 single-door quadrant shower enclosure 800mm. Indulge in the luxury you deserve every day. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.